Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is MA, and today's video I'm going to make a shaker card. And today this is my cutting dies. I got this from Action Store in France. So we're going to cut this 4 or 5 times. So stay tuned for the tutorial. So let's get started by cutting our design. I'm using a mini die cut machine that I got from Action Store France, and this is from Love to Craft company. You can cut your design from 5 to 6 times depending on the thickness that you want. I'm using a 180 GSM cardstock, and I ran it to my machine several times. You can also use foam tape instead of cardstock for cutting your design, so it will easy to adhere on your card. Once you're done by cutting, let's cut an acetate sheet. This will serve as your window on your shaker card. Now it's time to stick all together, and I'm using a tacky glue and a transparent glue for the acetate. Next is I'm using a distress ink for the front card, and this is from Tim Holtz, and it's a spice marmalade. To spread the ink, you can use any foam or any tool to spread it all over. So this is my favorite part. It's time to add some embellishments. I'm using these cute stars and tiny glitters from Action Store and pour it to your star shape. Adhere all the sides and secure properly. Then flip it over to finish your project. For the final touch, I'm using a clear stamp from AliExpress and I added 2 sentiments and stamp it to another cardstock, then I cut the pieces. Then I'm using Onyx Black from Versafine ink pad and I really love this ink. It doesn't stain on your stamp and it's easy to clean. So our shaker card is done and I hope you like this video and you find it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, hit the like button and bell notification to get more updated. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!